To harvest pineapple, give the fruit about 6 months to ripen after the plant blooms. You can begin checking for ripeness after about 5.5 months. To tell if the pineapple is ripe, check the bottom of the fruit for a change in color. The base of the pineapple will change from green to yellow-orange as it ripens. You should also notice a strong pineapple smell when you get close to the fruit, and you may feel a little bit of softness when you give it a squeeze. Once you're ready to harvest the pineapple, put on some gardening or work gloves to protect your hands. Hold the top of the pineapple with your non-dominant hand and snip through the stem just below the base of the pineapple with a pair of sharp garden shears. If you don't have shears, saw through the stem with a sharp knife. Rinse the outside of the pineapple to remove bugs and dirt and let it air dry. Eat the pineapple right away or store it in your fridge for up to 5 days.